Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing on Ladder. So if your app keeps crashing on your iPhone, it's usually caused by bad updates, corrupted cache, low memory, or login and sign issue. So actually guys, first you will need to force close the app. Also you only just swipe up from the bottom of your phone or just double tap the home button and then just find ladder and swipe it away completely or swipe it up. Okay, so that way you will need to wait 10 to 15 seconds and then just reopen the app and check if the issue is still going on. If it just restart your phone, so this clears temporary system glitches that often cause crashes. And also guys, they really advise you to do an update for the app if not. So go to the Apple App Store, tap on it and find Ladder, look for it and find it and tap on it once found and then just go with update if available right here. Okay, and then just go back to the app and check if the issue is still going on. If it, just reinstall the app and that's the best fix. So you will need to go back to the app icon or apps icon and just tap and hold it and then go with remove app, the last option. So that way you reinstall it. So now just go back to the Apple App Store, look for the app and then just install it. Okay, and log in again to your account, of course. Also guys, I really advise you to check your internet connection. So you only just to swipe up from the top right corner and then just switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and disable the VPN if you are using one. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.